Now students, our question number 2 is find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth and heights given below. So children, in question number 2 there are 4 sub questions. I will be solving any 2. Remaining 2 you are going to do by yourself. So here the first sub question which I have taken as 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That means here they have given the length, breadth and height. So my length, I will start the solution as length is given to be 12 centimeter, breadth is given to be 10 centimeter and height is given to be 5 centimeter. Afterwards children, you have tried the formula. What is the total surface area of the cuboid children? The formula is equals to what? 2 bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. Okay, after writing the formula, what you have to do? You have to substitute the value. So is that is equals to 2 bracket. What is length children? Length is 12 multiplied by breadth is 10. Okay, plus breadth is now 10 multiplied by height is 5 plus again height is 5 multiplied by length is 12. Okay, length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. Now next step is what children? Again is equals to 2 bracket 12 times I is how much? 120 plus 10 5 I is 50 plus 5 12 I is 60. Okay, now total it out together children. 120 plus 120 plus 50 is 170. 170 plus 60 is how much? It is 230. Okay, then multiply now. Here no sign is there between this 2 and this. Okay, that means here multiplication sign is there. So when we multiply, we get 2 zeros is 0, 2 3s is 6, 2 2s is 4. Okay children, now what will be the unit? Unit will be what? Square centimeter. Since it is area, so always the unit for area is either square centimeter or square meter. Then finally you will write, therefore total surface area of cuboid is 460 square centimeter. So in this way you have to perform. Okay. Now students, our second sub question I have taken is 5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 1.4 centimeter. So that means the solution I will start as this is a length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 3.5 centimeter and height is 1.4 centimeter. So the next step what we have to do is we have to write the formula of the total surface area of the cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid is equals to what? 2 bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. The next step children, what we have to do? We have to substitute the value. What is here length? Length is 5 multiplied by breadth is 3.5 plus what is breadth here? Again 3.5 multiplied by height is 1.4 plus again 1.4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so in this way you have to substitute the value. Then after substituting children, we have to multiply here. See here it is in decimal numbers. Okay, so here what we will be doing 3.5. I will show you each step. 3.5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25, carry 2. 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is what? 17. So we are getting here 17. So decimal point is after one number, so it is 17.5. Okay, so here we will be having is equals to 2 bracket. So the value of this one comes out to be how much? 17.5 plus. Now next is 3.5 multiplied by 1.4. So 3.5 multiplied by 1.4. 5 4 is 20, carry 2. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Then 1 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, 0, 9, 4. So here decimal is after one number, here decimal is after one number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting here the value of this, that is 3.5 multiplied by 1.4 is how much? It comes out to be 4.90. So this 0 you can exclude children. So you can write here only 4.9 is enough. Okay, so now next is 1.4 multiplied by 5. 4 5 is 20, carry 2. 5 ones is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So decimal number is after one number, so you have only 7.0. So this 7.0 you can write it as only 7. So here it is plus. So the value of 1.4 multiplied by 5 is 7. Okay children, so now you got this value. Now here you can see here it is in the decimal form. So how to add this, I'll show you. So here first one is 17.5, next is plus 4.9. So 4.9 means 4.9. Okay, third one is what? 7. 7 means you can have 7.0 also you can have. Okay, so now when you add 5 plus 9 is how much? 14, 14, 14 carry here 1. So here 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. So we have 19, carry 1 here, 2, here the decimal point here. So we are getting here 29.4. So you have here 2 bracket 29.4. And what will be the unit children? It will be what? Square centimeter. Now it is not over. Still you have to multiply this with the 2. So 2 4s is how much? 8. 2 9s is 18. So 18 means 8 carry 1. 2 2s is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So here. So decimal point is after one number. So here it is 58.8 square centimeter. So therefore you will write total surface area of cuboid is 58.8. Now students, our third question is, a matchbox is 4 cm long and 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm height. Its outer sides are to be covered. Okay, now suppose if this is a matchbox, assume and this matchbox has to be covered with the craft paper, then how much paper will be required to cover this matchbox with the craft paper? So here they have given the length, breadth and height of the matchbox. So that means children, indirectly they are asking the surface area, total surface area of the matchbox. If we know the total surface area of the matchbox, then we can be able to find the craft paper required to cover the matchbox. Okay, so here solution we are starting as length 4.5 cm, breadth 2.5 cm, height is 1.5 cm. So total surface area of matchbox, first thing is we have to write the formula, that is 2 bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. Then after writing this, what we have to do children? We have to substitute the value for all these things. Okay, so it will be what? 2 multiplied by, what is length children? Length is 4 multiplied by breadth is 2.5 plus again breadth is 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 plus again height is 1.5 multiplied by 4. So once we have written this, now next step children, what we have to do? We have to write the answers for each of the things. Okay, now what is 2.5? 2.5 multiplied by 4. 5 4 is 20, carry 2. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it is how much? It is answer comes out to be 10. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2.5 comes out to be 10 here. We are getting 10. Okay, so now next is plus. Again 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 1.5. So let's see, 5 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Then 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2. So we are adding 5, 7, 3. So here decimal point is after 2 numbers. So we are getting here 3.75. So the value of 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 is 3.75 plus. Now next is what? 1.5 multiplied by 4. 1.5 multiplied by 4. 5 4 is 20, carry 2. 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So here we are getting decimal point is after one number. So here we are getting the value for 1.5 multiplied by 4 is 6. Okay children, now next is what? We have to add all these things. So here we have what? 10. So 10 means we can have children 10.00. Okay, next is 3.75. So 3.75. Next is 6. 6 means we can have 6.00. So when we add, here we have 5. Here we have 7. Then decimal point. Here we have 9. 1. So we are getting 2 bracket 19.75 square centimeter. Now this is round over, children. We have to complete now multiplying with this 2. 2 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, carry 1. 2 9 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, carry 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, yet decimal point is after 2 numbers, so decimal point will be coming over here. So here we are getting the answer as 39.50 square centimeter. So therefore we can write it as, therefore craft paper required to cover the matchbox is 39.50 square centimeter. Okay, children. So in this way you have to finish it off. Question number 4 is omitted. So whatever things we have solved, you are going to write it neatly in your Max notebook. When there will be Zoom class, I am going to check all your classworks. Your classwork should be neat and clean. And with this we have completed our lesson. Okay.